Hello everyone, welcome to the Code Cloud. My name is Ravi. This is the introduction lecture on our Terraform on Google Cloud Platform series. In this lecture, we'll see what are the course content in Terraform on Google Cloud Platform. So we'll start from infrastructure as a code. We'll see how many tools are available to manage and provision your platform resources. What is Terraform? Terraform is nothing but a infrastructure as a code tool by which you can provision and manage your platform resources such as your compute instances, your networking resources, and thereafter start learning Terraform from scratch. We'll see what are providers and resources in Terraform, what are variables, outputs, and how to create modules in Terraform, and then how to utilize those Terraform modules in order to write dry configuration files for Terraform. As you know, Terraform is nothing but a collection of TF files. Thereafter, we'll see what is Terraform state. Primarily, there are two types of state, local state and remote state. And we'll see what is the best practice to store your state files. Thereafter, we'll learn how to manage Google Cloud Platform resources. And then we'll see what is Terraform workspace and registry. We'll learn more, we'll see in coming lectures. Thanks.